Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you an interesting thing. And you see here, this is the living room. Okay, I need to place a switch here. So from here, normally we put 300 mm. So I have here switch. So let's copy Control Shift C here. And normally what we will do, we draw a line to 300, enter, then we keep like this. Then we place the switch. Then we delete this. This is our regular way. But there's another way, very fast and very easy. Just Control V. Press the Shift and right click. You have here from. Okay. So click this one. You click. So move where you want. So you have a snip nearest. Make sure the nearest snap is on. Just click 300. Now let's dimension BLI enter. So here, here to here. So it's 300. So sun also we have 300. So this is the fastest way. And also when you are copying like this, so you are here, so you need in the other side, opposite side. Just R enter, so 180, enter, so it will rotate. Or you need example, let's say now here you want to paste, so R enter 90. So from where you want, just shift right click from, and you can click here in a nearest point, how much you need, 500, just 500 enter. So you can measure. So it's 500. It's the fastest way to do your work. If you're not subscribed my channel, subscribe so we can learn together. Until next video, take care. Bye. So